In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Docusign via email. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Home tab, top left, and you want to click on Get Signatures over here, and then you're going to start creating your envelope. And to actually send via email, first you have to select whatever you want to send, for example, this document over here. And then the most important part is over here where it says Add Recipient. So click on that, and from here, don't click on I'm the only signer, but go down here where you can basically put in your names and emails, and this is where you can basically select how to send via email. Okay, now here I'm going to put myself in here. As you can see, this is my email, and you can then add in your recipient as well, put in their name and put in their email down here, and that's basically all you have to do to actually add recipients and then send via email. So of course, after you've done that, after you've put in all the emails and names, you can go ahead and add a custom message as well over here if you want to, completely up to you. So you have the subject and message button over here, and you can go ahead and put text into this box, select your category, click on add fields, top right. You can then add the fields that you want, and then whenever you're ready to send, just click on send, top right, and it's going to basically send the DocuSign to those emails. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.